मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स, हम फिर हाजिर हैं आपके सामने अपनी ऑनलाइन क्लासेस के साथ। ठीक है, एज यू नो प्रीवियस लेक्चर्स में हमने टाइप्स ऑफ केमिकल रिएक्शंस पढ़े थे और इस चैप्टर में हम उस सीरीज को कंटिन्यू करते हुए आगे के रिएक्शंस स्टडी करते हैं, पढ़ते हैं। ठीक है, तो इसमें पहली रिएक्शन आती है रिवर्सिबल और irreversible reaction। रिवर्सिबल और irreversible reaction। फर्स्ट इज reversible reaction। what is reversible reaction? ठीक है, if in any reaction reactant make product and on same time product convert into reactant। ठीक है, एग्जांपल कि अगर रिएक्टेंट किसी रिएक्शन में प्रोडक्ट बना रहे हैं और ठीक उसी टाइम पर प्रोडक्ट भी किसमें कन्वर्ट हो रहे हो, रिएक्टेंट में। ठीक है, उसे हम क्या कहेंगे, रिवर्सिबल। इट गोज इन बोथ डायरेक्शन, reactant to product and product to reactant। okay, if in any chemical reaction reactant convert into product and on same time product convert into reactant, then it is called reversible reaction। ठीक है, अगर हम देखें तो रिएक्टेंट किसके अंदर कन्वर्ट हो रहे हैं, प्रोडक्ट के अंदर, एंड प्रोडक्ट किसके अंदर कन्वर्ट हो रहा है, रिएक्टेंट के अंदर। ओके, लाइक A plus B convert into C plus D and C plus D convert into A plus B, then it is called reversible reaction। it always flows in both direction in both डायरेक्शन। और इसको हम किस प्रकार रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं, इट इज रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय दिस सिंबल। ओके, इट इज रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय दिस सिंबल। इसका एग्जांपल देखते हैं, HCl plus NaOH convert into NaCl plus H2O and on same time NaCl plus H2O convert into HCl plus NaOH। it is known as reversible reaction in which reactant convert into product and product convert into reactant on same time। okay, second is irreversible reaction। second is irreversible reaction। okay, if in any chemical reaction only reactant convert into product, but product does not convert into reactant. एक ऐसी रिएक्शन जिसमें केवल ओनली रिएक्टेंट ही प्रोडक्ट बना सकते हो, प्रोडक्ट रिएक्टेंट नहीं बना सकते हो, उसे हम कहते हैं इरिवर्सिबल रिएक्शन. Then it is known as irreversible reaction. ठीक है, it always follows in one direction. It always flows in one direction. ठीक है, which is product, which is reactant convert into product. Example देखते हैं इसका, burning of carbon. If you burn carbon with oxygen, then it is formed in CO2 gas. But CO2 cannot convert into carbon plus oxygen. आप अखबार को जलाकर राख बना सकते हैं, लेकिन राख से अखबार दोबारा नहीं बना सकते. तो ये क्या है? Irreversible reaction. Okay. Second is fast and slow reaction. ठीक है. Second is fast and slow reaction. Fast and slow reaction means if reaction complete into a few seconds, a short time period, then it is called fast. And if a reaction take a very long time, very long years, ठीक है, then it is called slow reaction. So first is fast reaction. If any chemical reaction takes short time period to complete or completed in fastly mode, then it is known as fast reaction. Then it is known as fast reaction. Example, burning of oil. अगर आप किसी कार्बन को जला रहे हैं, अखबार को जला रहे हैं, तो फटाक से जल जाएगा, उसको सालों नहीं लगेगा. ठीक है, बहुत शॉर्ट टाइम पीरियड में कंप्लीट हो जाएगा. अदर एग्जांपल, HCl plus NaOH form NaCl plus S2. It is fast reaction. Okay. Next is slow reaction. Definition of slow reaction is if reaction complete in very long time period, okay, it takes many more years, then it is called slow reaction. If any chemical reaction takes a long time period to complete then it is known as slow reaction. Then it is known as slow reaction. Example, rusting of iron. Okay, we see its chemical equation 4Fe plus 3O2 plus 6H2O. किसी भी आयरन पर रस्ट होने का मतलब क्या होता है? आयरन की रिएक्शन ऑक्सीजन प्लस ह्यूमिडिटी और आई कैन से वाटर ड्रॉप्स, वाटर के साथ है, दोनों के साथ होना बहुत जरूरी है। ओनली ऑक्सीजन के साथ है या ओनली वाटर के साथ है तो आयरन पे कभी भी रस्टिंग, कभी भी जंग नहीं लगेगी। तो ऑक्सीजन और वाटर दोनों का होना जरूरी होता है। तो यहां से हमारे पास बनता है 2Fe2O3 डॉट 3H2O which is known as rusting of iron and it takes many more years to complete. Okay, next topic is very important topic which is oxidation and reduction process. Which is oxidation and reduction process. Okay, so please understand this with very sincerely. Oxidation and reduction. Okay, it has three types. It is divided into three parts. First is on reaction with O2. ठीक है, O2 की रिएक्शन के अकॉर्डिंग ऑक्सीडेशन और रिडक्शन को दो पार्ट में डिवाइड किया गया है। तो ये है फर्स्ट सेक्शन इसका, जिसे हम कहते हैं ऑक्सीडेशन। ओके, व्हाट इज द मीन्स ऑफ विद इट? इफ in any chemical reaction O2 added with element, ऑक्सीडेशन, ऑक्सीजन का एडिशन होना, ठीक है, मतलब ऑक्सीजन क्या हो रही है यहां पर? ऐड, तब तो हम क्या कहेंगे? ऑक्सीडेशन। then it is known as oxidation reaction। ठीक है, अगर किसी केमिकल रिएक्शन में ऑक्सीजन ऐड हो रही है, अगर किसी केमिकल रिएक्शन में ऑक्सीजन क्या हो रही है? ऐड, उसे हम कहेंगे ऑक्सीडेशन रिएक्शन। ओके, एग्जांपल, कैल्शियम प्लस ऑक्सीजन makes calcium oxide. Calcium plus oxygen makes calcium oxide, which is known as oxidation reaction. Okay, now is reduction. It is just opposite of oxidation. Always it is just opposite of oxidation. In oxidation, oxygen added with element, and in reduction, oxygen reduced, okay, or released. If in any chemical reaction O2 released by element then it is known as oxidation reaction. Okay, oxidation reaction. Example, same CaO convert into calcium plus oxygen and oxygen gas released, and oxygen gas released in this reaction, then it is known as reduction reaction. Okay, when oxygen added with element, then it is known as oxidation reaction. When oxygen released by element or reduced by element, then it is known as reduction reaction. Okay, so it is on basis of reaction with oxygen. Second point is on reaction with hydrogen. On reaction with hydrogen. Okay, it is just opposite by the definition of oxygen. Okay, oxidation. On reaction with oxygen, when oxygen added, then it is called oxidation. But on reaction with hydrogen, when oxygen released, then it is known as oxidation. If in any chemical reaction H2 released by element, okay, then it is known as oxidation reaction. Example, CH3 CH2OH convert into CH3CHO and one hydrogen. Two hydrogen released in this reaction. Other example, H2SO4 react with Zn, so it makes ZnSO4 and hydrogen gas released. It is also known as oxidation reaction. Okay. Second is reduction reaction. It is also just opposite as oxidation if in any chemical reaction H2 is added with element, then it is known as reduction reaction. Okay. Like H2 plus S make H2S, H plus Cl make HCl. Okay, here hydrogen added with sulfur or chlorine and formed H2S or HCl. Okay, the third part is by donating or accepting electron. Okay. So in oxidation reaction, when oxygen donated by element and formed positive ion, then it is called oxidation reaction. Okay. If in any chemical reaction electron is donated by element and make positive ion, then it is known as oxidation reaction. Okay, we see example of it. When sodium donate or reduce electron, it makes Na plus, positive sodium ion. Okay, it is known as oxidation. Second is reduction, which is just opposite of oxidation. Okay, if in any chemical reaction electron is absorbed by element and form negative ion, then it is known as reduction reaction. In this case, chlorine accept electron and make negative ion of chlorine, Cl minus. Okay. If oxidation and reduction reaction complete in one reaction, okay, if oxidation and reduction reaction complete in one chemical reaction, then it is known as redox reaction. Okay, the next point is redox reaction. If oxidation and reduction done in one chemical reaction, then it is known as redox reaction. Example, NaCl. In this case, Na convert into Na plus and electron minus, and electron is accepted by Cl, which makes Cl minus. So finally they make NaCl. In this case, oxidation of sodium and reduction of chlorine. Other example, H2O plus Zn makes ZnO plus H2. In this case, hydrogen released. ठीक है? Okay, sorry. In this case, oxygen released from H2, which makes reduction, and oxygen added with Zn, which makes ZnO. It is oxidation. It is oxidation. Okay. So we recall all the topics of today. Is first is reversible and irreversible reaction. If in any chemical reaction, reactant convert into product and product convert into reactant on same time, then it is called as reversible reaction. It completed, it flows in both directions. Okay. Second is irreversible reaction. If only reactant convert into product, but product cannot be converted into reactant, then it is known as irreversible reaction. It flows in only one direction, which is from reactant to product. Okay. Second point is fast and slow reaction. Fast reaction, if reaction complete in very few seconds, a very short time period, then it is called fast reaction, which is burning of carbon. HCl plus NaOH forms NaCl plus H2O. Okay. Second is slow reaction. If any chemical reaction takes a very long time period, many more years, then it is called as slow reaction. Example, rusting of iron. Okay. Third is oxidation and reduction reaction. Okay. So we will take again oxidation and reduction. Oxidation and reduction. Okay. On basis of O2, if O2 added, then it is called oxygen, and if O2 released, then it is known as reduction. Okay. Second, on basis of hydrogen, it is just opposite of oxygen. If H2 released, then it is known as oxidation, and if H2 added, then it is called reduction. Third, on donating or accepting electron, if electron donate, then it is called oxidation, and if electron absorb or accept, then it is called reduction. If oxidation and reduction complete in same time, then it is called as redox reaction. Okay. So we discussed many more things today. In next class we are going to discuss about the topic. Final topic is catalyst. Okay. So please make notes of it and take it seriously. Okay. Because oxidation and reduction process are very important in this chapter. ये बहुत बार पूछे जाते हैं, रेडॉक्स बहुत बार पूछा जाता है, तो इसको बहुत अच्छे से समझना आज की क्लास में. ठीक है. मिलते हैं आपसे नेक्स्ट क्लास में. थैंक यू.